even if it's, we talked about the pure networking play, but at a closer level between family and friends. If you share with people what you do, and more importantly, what your goals are, you never know who they know. And so they will go tell those people. And then one day you'll get a message randomly about joining some random new startup for a closed private equity fund. And you wonder how that happened. Well, it's no great mystery. It's because you've been putting in the legwork.
Yeah. It's the same thing, you spending the time here to talk with me today and share your story. And giving knowledge, you're sharing a lot, but I'm sure it'll come back to you in multiple ways, just because there's people who will hear this and reach out to you. You'll get to know, become more networked, have better connections to other people in real estate. Will be like, oh, that I want to hire that guy or whatnot.
I have to say though, I'm personally very passionate, probably like you, about mentoring and networking and helping other people achieve their goals. Mm-hmm. I've often reviewed resumes and helped people craft pitches to get into their preferred companies for free, just mm-hmm. because I enjoy doing it.
Yeah.
But that goes back long before any of this real estate stuff to a side gig of private tutoring for the SAT, for college applications. And it's very fulfilling. And if you can channel that passion into something that's also lucrative, I think that's a win-win down the road.